So I'm pretty frustrated about the Maytag dishwasher, and here's why. So, on some dishwashers, you can have a sequence that you can press to reset your dishwasher. But with the Maytag dishwasher, the only information that I found is that you can reset your dishwasher by unplugging from power source for 1 minute and then plugging back in. If it's hardwired to power supply or the plug is not easy to access, turn off the breaker for the dishwasher on your home electrical panel and turn it back on after 1 minute. Now, I was researching like, okay, there must be a different way on how you can reset it, but also then I came to this comment. Just look here. When I contacted Maytag for the code for like the reset, they sent me back an email stating this was proprietary information and they would not share it, which prompted me to respond, I figured out the code, it is by Bosch. Really funny, but I just wanted to share this, that the only way how we can reset it that I figured it out and I found is that you just have to like unplug it. Because like I couldn't get any information about on the sequence that you can try to do because they just don't want to share it. And if you're gonna find a sequence, share it down below in the comments because this is crazy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value and your dishwasher is going to get fixed if you're just gonna reset it for 1 minute, or where you're gonna have a power cycle, you're just gonna turn it off. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.